Welcome to the files, and let's dive deep into one of the most perplexing and spine-tingling military mysteries of all time, the Philadelphia experiment. This isn't just any urban legend, it's a story filled with hidden powers, groundbreaking scientific advancements, and chilling consequences. So, buckle up as we explore the enigmatic tale of the USS Eldridge and its infamous wartime disappearance. In the summer of 1943, 2 years after the U.S. entered World War II, American destroyers were being decimated by the infamous German U-boat submarines. The German threat was turning combat and commerce into dangerous enterprises. The U.S. Navy knew something drastic had to be done to turn the tide of the Battle of the Atlantic. Fast forward to October 28, 1943, at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard, the USS Eldridge, a newly commissioned cannon-class destroyer escort, was allegedly part of a top-secret experiment. The mission? To achieve the impossible, make the ship invisible to enemy radar and, some say, teleport it through time and space. Rumor had it that the ship was equipped with several large generators designed to power a new kind of magnetic field that would cloak the ship from detection. With the full crew aboard, it was time to test the system. In broad daylight and in plain sight of nearby ships, the switches were thrown, and the powerful generators hummed to life. Witnesses from that fateful day reported seeing an eerie green-blue fog envelop the Eldridge. In a flash, the ship vanished from the dock, leaving stunned onlookers in disbelief. Moments later, it was reported to have reappeared at the Norfolk Naval Shipyard in Virginia, over 200 miles away, before abruptly vanishing again and reappearing back in Philadelphia. What's more, when the Eldridge appeared in Norfolk, it seemed to arrive 10 minutes earlier than when it disappeared from Philadelphia, suggesting not just teleportation but time travel. The ship's sudden return to Philadelphia only 20 minutes later, or 10 minutes due to the time travel anomaly, added to the strangeness of the event. For believers, this wasn't just a tale, it was proof of the unimaginable capabilities being tested behind closed doors. But the true horror lies in what happened next. According to legend, the experiment's effects on the crew were catastrophic. Some sailors were reportedly driven insane, others developed mysterious illnesses, and the most disturbing of all were those who were said to be fused into the ship's structure alive, but trapped in metal, a grotesque and terrifying amalgamation of man and machine. These horrifying accounts evoke images straight out of science fiction, yet for many they are seen as a grim reality. The story gained traction in the 1950s when Carl M. Allen, under the pseudonym Carlos Miguel Allende, sent a series of letters to Morris K. Jessup, an author known for his work on UFOs and unconventional physics. Allen claimed he witnessed the Eldridge's disappearance firsthand, and linked the event to advanced principles of unified field theory, an attempt to reconcile Einstein's general relativity with electromagnetism. Allen even suggested that he had been taught by Einstein himself, bringing a sense of credibility and a touch of mystique to his claims. Jessup, who had written The Case for the UFO, was captivated by Allen's letters, which detailed the purported use of extraterrestrial technology to achieve such feats. The plot thickened when Jessup's annotated copy of his book, filled with mysterious comments about the Philadelphia experiment and alien involvement, found its way to the Navy's Office of Naval Research, ONR. These annotations, purportedly written by multiple entities, including possibly extraterrestrial beings, suggested that the U.S. government was not only dabbling in invisibility and teleportation, but was doing so with the help of alien technology. Despite the tragic end to Jessup's life driven to obsession and eventually suicide by these revelations, the ONR's decision to print and distribute 127 copies of the annotated book further fueled the story. The Philadelphia experiment morphed into an enduring legend, intertwining elements of science fiction, conspiracy theory, and military secrecy, captivating the imagination of the public for decades. Skeptics have attempted to debunk the legend by attributing the events to more mundane explanations. Some suggest that the Eldridge and its companion, the USS Engstrom, were merely involved in degaussing a process to protect ships from magnetic mines by reducing their magnetic signatures. At that time, Germans used magnetic mines with triggers sensitive to the magnetic fields of ships. To counteract this, the Navy developed techniques like installing electromagnetic coils or using a method called wiping, which involved dragging an electrical cable along a ship to alter its magnetic field. Others argue that the green glow surrounding the Eldridge could be explained by natural phenomena like St. Elmo's fire, a glowing electrical discharge often seen during storms. Additionally, they point to the inland canal system that linked Norfolk to Philadelphia, which might explain how the ship could have appeared in both locations in a short time. However, for those who delve into the darker corners of conspiracy, these explanations fail to capture the full scope of what transpired on that fateful day. The USS Eldridge was eventually sold to Greece in 1951 and scrapped in the 1990s, but the legend of the Philadelphia experiment lives on. It serves as a haunting reminder of the hidden capabilities of wartime technology and the unsettling possibilities that lie at the intersection of science and the supernatural. As we ponder the story of the Philadelphia experiment, we are left to wonder, what else lurks behind the veil of military secrecy, just beyond the grasp of our current understanding? Could this be a glimpse into a more sinister realm of experimentation? Or is it a fantastical tale spun from threads of fear and imagination? But there's more to this chilling tale. The Philadelphia experiment's shadow reaches far beyond the confines of the USS Eldridge. Some theories suggest it was just the beginning of a series of dark and secretive projects aimed at harnessing powers that defy the very laws of physics. Whispers of the Montauk Project, a clandestine series of experiments conducted in the late 20th century, are said to build upon the same principles of electromagnetic manipulation and time travel that the Eldridge supposedly encountered. Could it be that the U.S. government has been unlocking the secrets of the universe, manipulating time and space, and delving into realms best left untouched? Intriguingly, the impact of the Philadelphia experiment has transcended the boundaries of military lore, seeping into popular culture and inspiring countless works of fiction. From books and movies to video games and TV series, the idea of a ship vanishing into thin air and reappearing in another location has captivated the imagination of storytellers and audiences alike. This enduring fascination points to a deeper, almost primal fear of the unknown, of hidden forces and dark technologies that could disrupt our understanding of reality. As we continue to explore these narratives, we are reminded that the line between science fiction and potential scientific truth is often thinner than we would like to admit. The Philadelphia experiment, whether fact or fiction, remains a potent symbol of the mysteries that still lurk at the edges of human knowledge. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the dark mysteries of the Philadelphia experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more thrilling tales from history and beyond. Share your thoughts on this enigmatic story in the comments below. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring.